Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of my Neewer microphone with the entire kit with the stand and all that. Also look forward to other videos I'm going to do. I'm going to do a audio test of this, as well as a few of the other microphones that I have, and then I'll also do a comparison one. So this particular microphone, I also have an AKG one that I just recently got, as well as the NW-700. So also have an a Zoom H4 and a Zoom H4n, and in each of those videos, each of those ones I'm going to run these through with phantom power and do a video of each. So, and then video comparing them all so you can hear how they sound as well. So look forward to those. Subscribe to my channel to get notified of those videos. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and see what we got here. Okay, so it's kind of a plain box, right? Just says Neewer all over the place. Kit includes, it has a pop filter, ball type foam cap, so on, metal shock mount, table mounting clamp, and condenser microphone. So just kind of a quick walk around the box itself. You got that side. Here's kind of blank. Same thing, Neewer on this side, and nothing on this side. So a little bit of tape down here. Open that up. And we're going to unbox this guy. Here we go. On the top is your pop filter here. Let me go ahead and open this up. You also have your little other filter here, the foam filter. It's definitely, as other people I've seen other people say in other videos, it definitely is kind of flimsy. So nothing special on that. Pop filter here. It's a clamp type. This moves and all that, and it's definitely a nice. This seems like a two membrane film on each side, so almost like the consistency of a stocking, I would say, on either side. So we'll go ahead and put this guy aside now, and then I went with the white model because I just thought it kind of looked neat, so I decided to go with that. So let's open this up. And we'll pull this out. Here is our stand. It's a scissor stand, and it goes straight this way here. The springs seem strong enough, and it bends in various different directions. So this guy here kind of loosens up as well to make those transitions. So anyway, that's that. Put that aside, and then open this little flap. Here you have your shock mount with these two little guys to pull this open a little bit further. Got your attachment right there where you'd attach this to the microphone stand. Alright, so go ahead and do that real quick. So that's that. There's also adjustments on this stand for this particular part here where the mount's going on. You can loosen that up and move this. Actually pulls out completely. Might be a little bit hard to put that back in. There we go. Put that back in there. And then here also you have an adjustment, fully adjustable there, up and down, which is nice. So we'll put that aside. You also get this little pro quality and amateur prices, a little I guess a thank you note from the owner of the company or the president of the company, your instructions here telling you how to set it up with phantom power. I guess that's a separate phantom power supply that you can purchase, and it also shows you in the instructions here how to set the whole thing up. Put that aside. Open this up. Here's our clamp to clamp it to a desk. Open that up. And here it looks like, yeah, this part here is where you'd clamp the microphone stand end into right here. And then tighten that down, as well as the clamp to clamp it onto a desk. There is a foam piece over here, and you'd probably want to put some kind of foam on this side too so you don't scratch your desk. So that's that. Then here's your microphone. Right there. So like I said, this is the white model. It says Neewer NW-700 on the front. It's got your metal grate right here. It says, you know, got your little CE and then your little don't recycle or whatever it might be. Bottom easily seems to screw off if you wanted to do that. And on the bottom here you have your XLR input. Put the microphone aside. And last but not least, in this kit, you get your XLR cable. This is XLR to 3.5 millimeter, and presumably this would go into a, you know, potentially right into your computer if you have a preamp in the computer, something to power this. For my purposes, I'm just going to use an XLR to XLR, and then you know, probably won't even use this guy at all. But comes with a cord anyway, and this particular microphone does need phantom power, so there's no way you'd be able to power this directly into a computer without phantom power. So you can check other videos, other people have said the same thing, and that's why it says in the instructions here that you're going to need to set it up to a phantom power supply. So here they're saying plug the power supply in, take your microphone into your XLR input here, XLR to 1/4 inch, and then output this guy. Actually no, it looks like XLR to XLR there, and then your output would be the XLR into your 1/4 inch, or sorry, 3/4 inch. So this would be your output cable into the computer. So hopefully that's helpful. And it's also telling you here, look for the Neewer Phantom Power. They're telling you to buy it on Amazon. Any questions on this? Do you have this microphone? Do you like it? What do you like about it? Any other microphones that you like that you think might be as good or better than this? I actually, like I said, have the NW-800 as well. So I'm going to be doing a comparison of this NW-700 to the NW-800. I also, like I said, got an 8 kg microphone, which probably weighs about double what this does. So look for that video review as well. And like I said, I'm going to do a comparison between each of them. So number of videos on these microphones to come. For this video, just in case you were curious, I'm actually recording my audio with the Takstar microphone, the SGC 59B. So I've used that in a number of my videos, and it's pretty good for shotgun mounted microphone. And you know, again, if you'd like to see these other videos, I definitely recommend you subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions below, and thanks for watching the video.